Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show tips to make your Apple AirPods louder volume. So let's watch the video till the end. The first thing we need to do is check the volume on AirPods. For that, you need to play music or video, then press the volume up button or increase from Control Center and check if the AirPods volume becomes louder. Once your AirPods connect to your iPhone, follow the second solution to turn off the sound check setting. For that, head over to the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you see the music setting. Tap on it. After that, scroll down and check if the sound check is on by default. If yes, then go ahead and turn off the toggle beside the sound check option. You can connect your AirPods to your iPhone, play some music, and turn the toggle on and off, and you will see how your volume goes up automatically when you turn off the sound check option. Here, you will see the EQ option under the audio section. Tap on it and select Late Night to boost the audio on your device. Please note that the settings are specific to Apple Music and YouTube Music and do not apply to Spotify. To adjust the equalizer settings for Spotify, first launch the app and tap on the profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. Next, select the Settings and Privacy option followed by Playback and Equalizer. From here, you can either modify the default EQ settings or create your own custom settings by increasing the bass levels. Additionally, it's recommended to check the audio quality and select the highest quality available option for the best listening experience. If you're facing the issue of one of your AirPods being quieter than the other, you can try this third helpful solution to check the audio balance of your device. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone, then go to Accessibility Settings. Scroll down to the Audio and Visual option and tap on it. You should see a balance option, which should be kept at the center position to ensure that you get equal sound on both left and right AirPods. Now let's see the fourth beneficial solution, turn off Reduce Loud Sounds. With this setting, you can adjust the decibel level so your iPhone can analyze headphone audio and reduce sound over a set decibel level. It is advisable to turn off the reduced loud sounds completely and toggle them. For that, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Then scroll down to the bottom and select Headphone Safety under the Headphone Audio option. Here, you may have turned on the Reduce Loud Sounds. If yes, then turn it off. Now play the song from the Music app and check your AirPods sound. If you get low volume, follow the fifth beneficial solution to customize headphone accommodations. This setting allows you to customize the audio for supported Apple and Beats headphones. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Then again, scroll down and tap on Audio or Visual setting under the Hearing section. Then tap Headphone Accommodations at the top. You will see multiple settings options. Select Balance Tone under Tune Audio for section. So this setting will provide a boost over a range of frequencies. Now move the slider to change the soft sound boost level to slightly, moderately, or strongly. Also, I recommend cleaning the ear tip and AirPods speaker grill. You can watch my video on how to do this by clicking the I button and checking out the video description. Once you've cleaned everything up, it's time to try the ear tip fit test. If the test fails, change the ear tip and try again. To access the ear tip fit test, go to your Bluetooth settings and tap the I button next to the connected AirPods name. Then scroll down to Ear Tip Fit Test and tap the play button. You'll hear a sound. If you receive the message to adjust or try a different ear tip, change it and try again with the same test. If you're new to this and don't know how to do it, you can check out my other video on the ear tip replacement guide. If nothing happens, follow the sixth helpful solution, Factory Reset AirPods. It will refresh everything on your AirPods and fix software-related issues. So you have to put your AirPods inside the AirPods case and then open the lid. Now turn the AirPods case back and press the setup button for at least 10 to 15 seconds until you see the orange light on the front side. Now close and reopen the lid. As you can see on the video screen, you will see a connect button on your iPhone. Tap on the connect button. That's it. The seventh solution is to use custom audio setup. With this setting, you can enhance the volume of low-intensity sounds and fine-tune specific frequencies to suit your hearing requirements better. Now let's see what to do. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Scroll and tap on Audio and Visual option. Now tap on Headphone Accommodation and turn on the toggle beside this option. Then tap on Custom Audio Setup. Ensure AirPods is paired with your iPhone. With this setting, you can hear words more clearly without raising the volume of phone calls. In addition, you can hear more details in dialogue and songs during movie and music time. Also, you can use an audiogram from Health to customize your audio. Finally, Transparency Mode lets you hear more about what's happening around you. Your device will show a headphone audio customization page. Tap on the Continue button. After that, your device will ask to add an audiogram. Tap on Don't Use Audiogram. To set up custom audio, ensure you are in a quiet environment. Then tap on the Continue button. In the first task, you have to listen to the audio of someone speaking. Then select No Answer. Then listen to the audio of someone speaking on your AirPods again. Then select No Answer. Tap on the Continue button. Then go ahead and click on Continue. Here, tap to select Volume version 2 and drag the volume slider to the right side. Then tap on the Continue button. Once again, repeat the same thing. Select Volume Level 2 and drag the volume slider to the right side. Then tap on the Continue button. At last, tap on the Use Custom Settings button. That's it. Now play sound and check the issue is fixed or not. The 8th solution to consider if you have a damaged AirPod is to seek assistance from Apple support. They can provide a free or paid service to replace your damaged AirPod. To check if your AirPod is still under warranty, you may visit the link provided in the video description or the top iCard. If your AirPod is not covered by warranty, you may locate the nearest Apple store and purchase a new single AirPod to replace the damaged one. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos. Also, comment for more help and tips to fix your problems.